A concerning sight, an out-of-service fire hydrant. Last summer, 2 were marked out of service in this Springbank subdivision. Now, all 9 have the same tag, and it's been like this for more than a month. Sharon Winarski owns one of the 59 homes here in Swift Creek Estates.
We brought it to the attention of Rocky View County. They sent fire trucks out within the hour to confirm.
Winarski has been trying since last summer to get answers about the fire hydrants in her community. Her complaints sparked the county to issue an enforcement order against Westridge Utilities, Inc. It's the company that owns and operates the hydrants.
It's a major undertaking.
The company appealed the decision but lost last month. The county gave it 4 months to inspect and test the hydrants and report back.
Hopefully it means by the end of April, in the next few months, that our fire hydrants are now working and bylaw and Alberta Fire Code compliant.
Winarski also filed a complaint with the Alberta Safety Codes Council, saying Rocky View hasn't been enforcing safety and fire code regulations, something Rocky View is required to do. The council ruled in her favor.
I was really happy to get that decision.
The Safety Codes Council decision against Rocky View is much bigger than Swift Creek Estates. It applies to the entire county, all 1,100 fire hydrants.
The county is taking this seriously. We are moving forward with a clear approach to confirm required fire hydrant inspection testing and maintenance of records that are provided and looking at any gaps and addressing those.
The order states Rocky View must ensure full compliance with all relevant regulations under the Safety Codes Act, the National Fire Code, and the National Fire Protection Association for all fire hydrants in the county no later than the end of next year. And the county must implement enforcement measures to address any instance of non-compliance, including issuing orders, conducting audits, and pursuing legal remedies as necessary.
We are implementing an initial action plan through the mid part of 2026 to establish our systematic approach for these processes, and beginning with the inventory and compliance notices to all of our vendors that have private hydrants. Even if we have areas that don't have sufficient fire hydrant capabilities in different parts of the county, we supplement that with tender response shuttles to provide the water required.
Of the 1,100 hydrants in the county, private companies own and operate 800. Westridge owns just over 200. The Safety Codes Council order is a positive step for people who live in other areas of the county. They've also been asking questions about annual hydrant testing and inspections. Some are frustrated at the lengths Winarski had to go to.
Why are the citizens and the community having to do the county's work? It's outrageous.
Westridge Utilities hasn't responded to requests for comment. The company has said the hydrants aren't actually fire hydrants, but instead they're used to help maintain the community's drinking water system. After it marked the hydrants out of service last year, Winarski notified her home insurance company.
I got a response from our agent asking specifically, when is this going to end? Because if it doesn't change almost immediately, my premiums go up $11,000 a year.
Winarski says she knows she lives in a rural community, but the subdivision was developed with fire hydrants that should be meant for fighting fires.
Maybe the time it takes for the fire department to get here is one thing, but to then not have water available is a whole different issue.
She's hoping for some answers in the spring now that the company has been ordered to provide testing and inspection reports. Bryan, Labby, CBC News, Calgary.